So you already know the POV, you fall behind the big snake. So this is it. This is the map. And I do this. Like that. It's just like that. And this is the underneath. But the table is here earlier and I put here. So that's it. Okay, so watch it. Search Skylar that guy on YouTube and it's in the shorts and you will see a big snake. It says POV, you fall. Oh, you fall behind the big snake. When you see that, play that, and that's the results. Bye.